The Infinix Smart 10 HD just appeared out of nowhere, no official launch, no announcements, nothing. One day, I was scrolling on TikTok and boom, videos were everywhere. At first, I wasn't impressed. 2GB RAM in 2025 and a Unisoc processor. I had my doubts, but I still bought it. I used it for over 2 weeks, and in this video, I'm breaking down everything, the good, the bad, and whether it's even worth your money. Surprisingly, you get everything needed in the box when you buy the phone. Even though it's an entry-level device, you get the charger, USB-C cable, earpiece, some paperwork, and a plastic TPU case. I paid around 95,000 naira for the phone, but it was a bit too much in my opinion because we are only having 2 gigs RAM here, and I feel in 2025, the base model should be at least 4 gigs RAM. This phone should have been priced around 85k. I feel that would have been the best price point. The storage space is 64 gigs RAM, but there should be a variant with up to 128 gig. I'm not very sure of that because I've not really seen it. It has similar specs with the Tecno Pop 10C, and they are selling for almost the same price. I'm working on a proper comparison video to see if there is any difference between these two phones. So subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out when I finally upload that video. The phone has a plastic build, and design wise there isn't any distinction with the previous Infinix Smart series phones. We have the camera at the back with a flashlight beside the camera arrangement. The arrangement of the camera is what we've seen for a while now on a lot of many phones, so this is not different. I have the titanium grey colorway, and I think is the best color option. The phone is very comfortable in the hand because it's lightweight and is also a bit narrow, so using it with one hand won't really be a problem. We have a single down firing speaker at the bottom of the phone, and there is also a headphone port. The SIM card tray is by the left side, and we have a side mounted fingerprint scanner that is relatively fast at unlocking the phone. It is situated on the right side just below the volume rockers. As far as design and build quality go, the phone is solid, but it's not exceptional. It's not something different that we've never seen before. Now for the display, it's 6.6 inch, which isn't so big. The resolution is 720p and the refresh rate is 90 Hz. It is responsive to touch, and the bezels around the display are quite noticeable, especially the chin at the bottom. You can see how it looks. It is what you expect from a phone that costs this much. I'm glad that we also have a punch hole cutout on the screen, not a U-shaped notch that was what we got with the Redmi A5. I feel the punch hole cutout should be the standard across all smartphones in 2025. In very sunny environments, you might struggle to see the display because it doesn't go past 500 nits of brightness. Colors appear vivid and contrast on the screen, even though it's an IPS LCD display. I can't really complain. I enjoy playing the casual games that run on the phone, and YouTube videos are also enjoyable. Same thing applies to watching movies on the phone. You get to see the colors and it's enjoyable. The display is sharp and it fits the price it is selling for. The Infinix Smart 10 HD is powered by the Unisoc T606 processor, the same thing we have on the Tecno Pop 10C. You can't be a heavy user and buy this phone, coupled with the fact that we only have 2 gigs RAM on the phone. It is suitable for casual tasks and light gaming. If you push the phone to the max, it will hang and hang badly. Don't buy the Smart 10 HD and expect anything outside normal usage like calls, casual usage of social media apps, browsing, and light usage. If you are someone that spends a lot of time on their phone, then it's best you just avoid this one and go for a very expensive phone, a more expensive phone. The Smart 10 HD is running on Android 14 and it's not even based on XOS 14. We have XOS 13 here, and I feel if we have the full XOS 14 on the Smart 10 HD, it will not even run smoothly. The lags will be more than what we are getting on the phone already. It does not support any form of multitasking like floating windows or split screen. Not that I was expecting it anyways. What I must commend Infinix for, however, is that we have the software looking like what you expect on an Infinix phone, because on other phones running on Go Edition Android, they just give you the bare bones. The animations while opening and closing apps are also smooth. I like it. You also get some level of customization on the phone, even if you think it's not full-fledged customization as you get on more expensive Infinix devices. I'm not sure if there will be any more software updates on the phone. If you buy this phone, you might be stuck with Android 14 forever. We have a 13 megapixel primary camera at the back, and it should be the main camera you care about. The selfie camera is 8 megapixel, and you shouldn't expect stunning photos from the cameras. They are decent at best, and there is this brightness that is consistent on the pictures because of the post-processing after you snap, pictures with the phone. You also need to snap in well-lit environment to get usable images from the camera. You only get 4x zoom max on the phone, and I was impressed that the cloud didn't appear over bad in the pictures. Images get details, but when you zoom in, there is a little bit of noise in the pictures. You can only shoot 1080p videos with the front and back camera. Battery is one of the best selling points of this phone. It has a 5000 mAh battery and it supports 18 watts charging, which is slow by 2025 standard. It takes over 2 hours to charge the phone from 0 to 100, and you can get up to 2 days of battery life on the phone depending on how you use it. Battery won't be an issue with this phone, and it's probably one of the best things about the Infinix Smart 10 HD. So that's everything you need to know about the Infinix Smart 10 HD. For casual users, it does just enough, but if you need more power, look elsewhere. I'm working on a full comparison with the Pop 10C to see which one truly gives you better value for money. So if you haven't subscribed yet, now is the time. Like this video. If you found it helpful, drop your questions or thoughts in the comment section, and I'll be happy to see you in my next video. How many minutes?